Hello Bengaluru. The Flower Festival has just started at Lalbagh Botanical Garden. And if you love trees, flowers, colors, art, beautiful outdoor spaces, this one is definitely for you. We visited Lalbagh this weekend and honestly, there was so much to see. So come with us and let me show you what you can expect. Of course, the first thing that catches your attention is the flowers. And here is the thing, this festival is not just about flowers. And then, of course, there is this iconic glass house. This is one of the main attractions of Lalbagh. And during the Flower Festival, it gets even more spectacular with the special floral displays. It will definitely take your time here because there are plenty of details to look at. One of the coolest parts was seeing famous historical figures recreated using flowers. And it doesn't stop here. There were forts and different architectural structures beautifully created using flowers and other materials. And then we came across something completely different. Huge sculptures made using tree stems, peacocks, birds, animals, humans, figures, and so many other creative shapes. Some of these sculptures were absolutely massive, and they looked incredible against the greenery of Lalbagh. And obviously, if you are into photography or making reels, you are going to have a great time here. Every few steps, there is another colorful frame waiting for you. The flowers, the sculptures, the huge trees, the greenery, the bonsai, everything comes together beautifully. One thing to keep in mind though, if you are planning a weekend visit, expect some rush. We went on a weekend and there were quite a lot of people around, especially near the popular displays and the glass house. But the atmosphere was actually quite lively, with families, friends, kids, photographers and everyone just enjoying the festival. Try going earlier in the day or on a weekday. But overall, there is a lot more here, just more than flowers. You have got massive floral installations, historical figures, the forts, the sculptures. Basically, there is something for everyone. So, is it worth visiting? Absolutely. Especially if you are looking for a nice weekend outing in Bengaluru with family, friends, or even just someone who loves nature or photography. Just be prepared for a little crowd, keep your camera ready because you are definitely going to find plenty of things worth capturing. And that's our little Lalbagh Flower Festival experience. Until the next adventure, keep exploring, keep discovering, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.